Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this cute blouse that I got from the thrift store into this cute two-piece. You can use any skirt of your choice as a template for your two-piece. I decided to use this leather skirt of mine that fits on my body very well. I made sure to cut halfway instead of cutting it all the way out, folding it in half and then cutting the other side to make sure that both sides of the skirt match. Here I'm just pinning where I'll be sewing, and I decided to go ahead and cut out the top of the two-piece. Same process, just cut it out halfway and then fold it in half and make sure both sides match up and then cut the rest. So here I'm sewing everywhere where I had pins on both sides of the skirt, and because I took the buttons off down the middle of the blouse, I also have to sew down the middle of the skirt. You guys also want to make sure that you guys are back stitching in and out. So when you start your stitch, back stitch. When you are ending the stitch, back stitch. So this is the part of the blouse where the buttons were, and I ended up taking off the buttons and making sure that for not only the skirt but also for the top that part met in the middle, and then I just sewed it all the way down. So once I had both the side seams of the skirt and the top sewn together, I went ahead and I sewed the hem of both the top and the skirt. So here I'm just adding darts to my skirt to make sure that it fits my waist a little bit more, since I do have a really small waist. So here I'm just using my chalk to mark where I want the darts to end, and also measuring on both sides to make sure that the darts are both the same length on the front of the skirt. Making this two-piece was super easy, and I can't wait to wear this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and thanks for watching.